Hi, my name is Diane and I had a revision surgery, and I had it done 3 weeks ago, approximately. Prior to surgery, 2 weeks before surgery, they brought over an X10 machine to me and told me that this is going to help me post-surgery and after surgery. And I was like, wow, it's going to help me. I'm trying to figure out how is that going to really help me prior to surgery. Me doing it before surgery, not knowing that it was really going to help me. So I just did what they told me to do on the machine as far as working out my knee, the one that they did the revision on. So not knowing was that the muscles that I was using post-surgery was strengthening. I didn't have to have anybody come out after surgery to tell me what I had to do or anything like that, because the machine was here for me. And that was the most important thing, is having a machine and getting on it anytime you want it to. I mean, you can get on it in the middle of the night, you can be restless, say, oh, well, I don't have anything to do, what am I going to do? You get on the machine if you're in pain, and it's not going to be that much pain anyway because of the simple fact that you're using the machine. It's a slow process, but it works fast. You know, I'm talking about as far as the machine is concerned, it's slow, but your recovery is going to be fast. I know for me, it helped me a whole lot in this process. It really did. And I used the X10 machine 2 weeks before surgery and 3 weeks after surgery. And it helped a whole lot. And I did not have any in-home therapy or outpatient therapy. As far as the strengthening, I'm at 1,016, 1,019, and I'm like, wow. You know, when I started off, I was doing like 800 and something, and I done had the surgery, and I'm doing 1,000 on that leg alone. So it's helping me a whole lot. And I know if it can do this for me, I can imagine what it can do for others. I made sure that I did my machine, use the X10 machine at least 3 times a day. I don't care if it was at 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, I did what I had to do. You know, it's really easy. Being able to see my results after using the X10 machine, it helps a whole lot, because it makes you feel good that you're achieving something. You know, you want to reach a goal. In the beginning, when you start, you at a low number. And as you continue on, you want to reach a higher number. You want to achieve something. And once you achieve that, it makes you feel good each and every time that it motivates you to get up on there and do it, you know. And when you see that you're working and you're doing it and the numbers are steady climbing, it makes you feel good about yourself, like, dang, I'm doing it. The X10 company provided me with a coach. You know, having somebody to talk to, you know, that can guide you along the way. And if you get stuck or you don't know what to do, there's somebody that you can call and talk to. And there was another person that I had talked with that they provided me with. Her name was Mary. And they was very inspirational to me as far as keeping me motivated and going with the machine.